Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro. You have to start by open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see this menu. Now go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software version. So you can check it right here, or you can also tap on it and check it right here. We have also firmware version. You can also check for updates, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!